Hi, we're the ASHL news team. I'm Dick.
And I'm Dickie.
In today's top story, we've been receiving reports of cats being molested all across the country. And we have a couple live reports with our guy in the field. I don't know what his name is. He's not important. He's an idiot. Now. He sucks balls.
Hey, everyone. Alright, I'm Jack White, reporter of the field, and today we're going to take you to our top story with the cat molesters. Now, follow me over our first kid. Whatever. Now, don't mention his weight. He's kind of fat and black. That's not racist. Excuse me, sir. Can you give me a report on, have you been molested lately? What? Perfect! He stuck what in your what? You know what? We're done here. We're done here. Turn that off! Turn it off!
See if I can beat my high score. Yes, I got one!
Yes, sucker!
Oh yeah, and we'll take you live in the field with our new reporter.
His name's Chud Licker.
His name is Bill. Just get out of here. Why are you even working? We're live. We're live.
Okay, today I bring you our second victim of rapists. Sir, we need to ask you a few questions. Huh? Did this man rape you? Did he? Did he rape you?
Sir, we can't see the victim. Get out of the way.
Did he rape you? Did he suck your dick?
Step away from the cat, sir.
Sir, did this man have sex with you? Did he? Why are you shaking your head? Don't deny it. Don't deny it. Don't deny it. Huh? Did he do it? Huh? Did you suck your balls? Did you lick them off?
Sir.
Oh, you don't have any. What did he do to you? Huh? You suck them off?
Yeah,
why are you masturbating?
We're gonna cut the feed. Well, no longer is the cat molesters the top of the news. Now that our news team in the field is saying inappropriate stuff on television, such as sucking and molesting.
And doing other crazy stuff.
So,
now they must be executed.
Yeah, now we're gonna kill him. Yeah. Alright. Oh, Bill?
What'd you call me for?
Yeah,
I'm doing a news story with a cat.
Yeah, we got some important business, and, Doc. Now we'll take you live in the field with Dickie.
Mr. White?
What's this all about?
Just, need to ask you a few questions. Does it deserve to live? Freaking dang.
Excuse me, sir. I'm with FYPD, and I've noticed you've murdered people on live television.
No. What happened?
Bullcrap! You're arrest for murder. What the heck just happened?